Welcome to the Performing Arts Department option presentation.
In years 9, 10 and 11 you can choose BTEC Music as one of your options.
In BTEC Music, you'll study 4 units. The music industry and managing a music product are units you will have to do.
But the following units are ones you can choose from depending on what you are most interested in.
Have you seen it? Have you seen the trailer for the new ones? No. They've tried to make it like a teen drama. It's about a bunch of fairies. But yeah, they have light action.
There are lots of reasons why you should take BTEC Music, apart from it being lots of fun.
Look, Larry down there. What's up with her? What's up with her?
In performing arts, you can either choose to work in a performance-based area such as dance, drama or musical theatre, or you can specialise in a design-based area such as theatre, makeup, set design, masks, costume or prop making.
You will study 3 units of work. In component 1, you will explore lots of different pieces across all areas of the performing arts. You will study 3 units of work. In component 1, you will explore lots of different pieces across all areas of the performing arts.
In component 2, you will work towards performing or designing a piece of your choosing.
Yeah, what we saw.
In component 3, you will work in teams to write and create your own piece that includes performance and design elements.
There are lots of reasons you should take performing arts.
What is a BTEC qualification?
Thank you for watching our options video. If you have any questions, go and see Mrs. Millington or send her an email. Mrs. Millington hopes to see you in one of her classes in Year 9.